Hello everyone. Um, we're gonna make some fixes in this video, major fixes. I forgot about one major thing in our behavior tree. So first let's open BT task attack, and we have an event for portion of this event. Also we have to call finish execute with success false node. And that's the first thing. Also we have created something here, also like play montage, and here we should also call this function success false. Okay, next, one thing that I mentioned is when attacking starts, uh, for this 0.4 to seconds, it may run an idle animation when the fox is lying on the earth, and this idle animation is not fine for me. So there is two ways to fix it. We can remove this wait node, or we can remove an animation. I think that I'm gonna return a wait node from here. So also let's open a Fox and search for AI controller. And by default we have an AI controller class, set it to AI controller, and our auto possess AI set to placed in world, but it should not be like this. It should not be like this for every animal. So let's make these changes in animal parent. Let's select it, type AI, and select here the tour crowd AI controller, and auto possess when it is placed in world or spawned. So that's all. Now I think that everything is working fine. As you can see, Fox attacks, but also one thing that I want to change, it's not a fix. If Fox is chasing me, I don't want it to run forever to chase me. So I want it to stop at some time. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a decorator here. I think that I'm gonna add a decorator here, and the fox will have a time limit to chase, and it will fail after, for example, 5 seconds. And let's see how it looks like. For example, here is our fox. It's chasing us, and let's run from it for a few seconds. It has stopped, waited a little, and then it ran this state again. But we were already too far from it. Also, let's decrease the limit from 5 to 4. And let's change a way our animal accelerates. So let's open character movement, type acceleration, and I've already set it 1024 here, but I will decrease it to 512. And also for my fox, I'm gonna decrease its running speed because now it runs too fast. So let's open BP Fox, and it's almost impossible to run away from it. And for run, I'm gonna have not 500 but 400 of speed. Now it tries to chase me, and I'm trying to run away. It has lost me, and this one has lost me. Great. Also, we have changed a state to attack here. Let's comment it and call it attacking. We're changing this state, but we don't have in our BP animal parent with this node attack is not connected to anywhere. But we should have an exclamation mark. So we're doing the same as in runaway, just connecting it here. Well, now let's open Fox and change a walk around blend space a little bit from 500 to 400. And that's it. That's everything that we have to do to fix and make it work correctly. Now foxes will attack, run away from you, and those look as previously. Also, we can add a spawner for foxes. For example, let's just copy the spawner, paste it here, and animal type is gonna be fox. Actors gonna be just one fox, and delete this one. Chance is 1. Spawn rate is gonna be not 10 seconds till next spawn is gonna be 25, and spawn limit is gonna be, for example, 5 foxes maximum. Also, let's check spawner. Do we need spawn? I want to know whether we check through animal type somewhere here, but seems like no, we don't. So now I'm gonna delete every animal from here, and I'm gonna delete my foxes and start the game. Now, in few seconds, okay, we have a stack spawned, but for stack, oh, it plays an animation. Okay, I didn't make changes for a stack, as you remember. I made them only for dough. And here we have spawned deers, and as I can see, a first fox has been spawned somewhere here. Here it is. Let's take a look on it. Okay, and it starts to chase us. It tried to chase us, but we ran away too far, and it ran away from us somewhere deep in the forest. So thanks for watching. That's it for this video, and I think that till recording of the next video I'm gonna fix stacks. Hope it will help someone.